Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I got the blue look. I already did red, orange, yellow, and green, and those will be down below in the description box or in my makeup playlist. So yes, in this video we're going to be going over how I got the blue look.
Hey, listen!
And if you want to see a updated foundation routine, you could click the button up above or look in the description down below. I use the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette over the rainbow, and yeah, I was just like, I'm going in with the blues. This is a brush I'm using. Like I said in the last video, it got stained by the green, but that's okay. It's clean. And I start doing the outer corner, super pigmented, and I just show you guys the whole process. I hope you guys enjoy this blue look. Blue is a very intense color, very beautiful, very eye-catching for any eye color, I would say. It's definitely bold but beautiful. Yeah, don't stray away from it. You guys should try it. I think doing more vibrant colors is just more fun, and also it's just more expressing creativity. So I'm using this brush for the lighter blue, and look at all that product. But yeah, so I'm just going in with this color. I had to dip in this one quite a bit, and I'm just showing you guys that building up color is a huge thing. So dipping into a palette multiple times, reinforcing color is a huge thing that you should always do. If you want the most color payoff, you got to reinforce color, which could mean packing in the color, going over it multiple times, not getting frustrated. Just try and be as creative as you can. Makeup is supposed to be fun. It has rules, but we could do what we want with it. So have fun. That's what I was doing, especially with blue. Because I did blue before. It was the first color that I did in my Pride series. It was the first color I did, but I changed it up a little bit when I was doing this video. And I like the color payoff a lot more. But yeah, I think it was really good. It was very much enjoyable. So as you can tell, there is a little bit of the blue, the lighter blue that went over the darker blue. So then I just reinforced the color. And then I brought it out a little bit and blended them together. That way it wasn't just like a harsh line of blue. And then I'm going in with the glitter, and that's what it looks like. And I made sure to put it on my whole entire lid, mainly where the crease would be. Go a little bit above that, in my personal opinion, so that when your eyes are closed you can still see it. Sorry you guys can't fully see what I'm doing. I'm just putting it on the middle bit of my eye. And then once that is done, I wipe it off with a baby wipe. And then I am packing back in the original two colors just to make sure that they are still there and that the glitter isn't really, the shimmer isn't really going over it. Making sure to reinforce those colors. Like I said earlier, and I say it all the time, color payoff is what I am looking for. I feel like this blue is so beautiful. And I'm going to do my basic eyeliner, which is a pretty medium-sized wing for me. It's like a big wing, but it's not really that big. I just have a lot of eyelid space, so I drag it out pretty far. And I go all the way over. This part, the camera starts focusing on my hand, so I do want to apologize for that. Okay, maybe it's not this very second, but it does focus on my hand, and my hand gets in the way. I do want to apologize. Yeah, right here. I want to apologize for that. And then when I was doing my inner corner, you could barely see. I really get close. I really get up close and personal with the mirror. So I do apologize if you guys can't fully see. That is not my intention. And I do underneath my waterline, below my eyelid, my lower lid. I like to make sure that that is nice and has a line. I don't know, it's just my aesthetic. And then this is where you guys can see I'm doing the inner corner. I was stressing and I had to get up in there. And then I started doing my waterline, and I'm just doing the bottom waterline with the Remu London Blackest Black eye pencil. And then I'm just going in with some mascara. I did my top and bottom mascara, but the thing is that when I go to do the bottom one, you guys can't see, and my hand blocks right there because I'm doing the outer corner, and I want to make sure that is really packed in. And I started doing my bottom lashes, and you guys could not see, but I like doing that because I think it's really nice. And I'm just highlighting my mole, which you guys cannot see again. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love it so much. Please let me know if you try this look or get inspired by this look. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, which should be purple. I'm super excited to do purple. Purple is my favorite color, so please stay tuned for that. Follow me on all my other bits of social media, including my Twitch and my Twitter and my TikTok and Instagram. And shout out to everyone who is supporting me over on Patreon. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys all have a fantastic morning, evening, or night, wherever you might be. Love you guys. Bye.